You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. For more confusing pronunciations of different names and different spellings, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up. Katerina, or in English, Katerina or Katrina. How do you pronounce it yourself? Katerina? Do you stress on that? Do you pronounce that T syllable, or Katrina? Katerina. I mean, it's there, so I would believe you have to pronounce it Katerina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.